Hello everyone, I am Shreya Singh Rajput and welcome to the day 3 of English Conversation series. In this series, I am improving my English communication. In this video, I am going to talk about the situation when I forget the words and words are not coming to me. Even I forget the sentence formation. I am not able to explain the situation or the things that I wanted to. I really wanted to be fluent in English, but I am not. How the peoples of my age are able to speak English very fluently even without thinking? Why I am facing this challenge? I found a scientist named as Noam Chomsky. He discovered the term known as LAD, that is the language acquisition device, which is present in every child. Like when we take birth, we already have that universal grammar wiring in our mind. In whatever environment we get before puberty, we acquire that language very easily without putting lot of efforts so that's why in our childhood we don't have to put lot of efforts to learn our native languages. To learn any other language after puberty, it is quite difficult, but it is not impossible. We can learn any language if we want to learn. There was a quote known as the if I am amazing, so I can't be easy, and if I am easy, I can't be amazing. This language looks amazing, and everyone can't speak it because it is difficult. Because it is difficult, it is amazing. For example, when we go in any forest, when we go there first time, there was no road, there was nothing. But when we go again and again and again from the same pathway, it was a pathway which we created, but it is only possible when we go there every day. Same thing happens to this language. If we want to speak English very fluently, so we have to be consistent to it, and then only we are able to speak English. If we speak English every day, we develop a fluency pathway and we achieve the stage of a fluency breakdown. Fluency breakdown means that speaking English very fluently as our native language, or speaking English as a natural language, that you are born with this language. To attain fluency breakdown, we have to develop fluency pathway, which is quite difficult, and we have to work consistently. And I think you will support me to do this series to improve myself every day and speak consistently, because today I am not willing to make this video because there was no views, and I feel little more demotivated that why I should do this, should I do or not. So I have a lot of question in my mind, but I remove all these doubts and just sit down in front of camera and try to speak. So I don't have any script. I have not prepared so much to it, that what to speak, what how to speak, and pre-preparation to this video. So that's why there was a lot of mistakes, I know, but I have to do this. In the end, I only want to improve myself, no matter that what I am speaking, how I am speaking, and anything else. That's all, guys. So please support me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Okay, bye and take care, everyone.